How are you doing, sir?
I'm all right, Chief.
My name is Dylan from My Safety Hub here. We are then joined here with
Brian Maseko.
Brian. How's it, Brian? Tell me about
Okay.
yourself. Tell me about your company. What do you guys do here?
Okay, so we're actually a company that is based in Germiston. So our organization is called Institute of Emergency First Aiders.
Institute of Emergency First Aiders.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So we actually, or just IEFA in short.
Okay.
So we
great.
specialize in emergency courses ranging from first aid level 1, level
Okay.
3, basic firefighting. We do health and safety training,
Okay, great.
emergency response training, even incident investigation.
Great stuff.
So these are our manuals that we actually
Okay.
issue to our learners.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
that's
so-
brilliant. That's
So
brilliant.
these are just for show. So
Okay.
they're not for keep.
No, of course, of course.
So
No, I'm
they're
just having a look
They're
here.
just the demo, yeah.
That's brilliant. I
Yeah.
really enjoy this. And one thing that's standing out, I really love the first aid classroom-based training. And I see you've got a nice setup
dummy.
over here.
Yeah,
Would
yeah.
you mind taking me through the basic principles of first aid very quickly?
Okay, I'll actually give you an opportunity to just do the
Fantastic.
compressions
Let's do that.
as well as give a bit of ventilations to the patients.
Awesome,
no?
awesome,
Okay.
yeah. I've been through a first aid course once or twice before, but I'm fairly rusty. So let's see
Okay.
if I can remember some of those items.
Okay, let me just get you a mouthpiece
Sure.
and a pair of gloves. Okay, there we go. I think I had a life aid, a new life. Okay, just hold on to this.
Thank you. So we have a standard pair of surgical gloves here, which is a necessity for working on any casualty that you also learn through these various first aid courses. So what we're going to do now in preparation is start off by putting our gloves on.
Yes.
So these can be a bit tricky, so I always just like to give them a shake, give them a bit of a blow, and then obviously you can see it does take getting used to, especially if you haven't done this in recent years. So if you have a pair of surgical gloves at home, I encourage you strongly to try this at least once or twice before you actually want to do first aid in real life, because you see, it does take a moment to get on properly. There's the first. All right, so while I'm busy putting my gloves on here, what else do we have available?
So we've got a mouthpiece.
One standard
Yeah.
mouthpiece, and that's
Mouthpiece.
naturally for the ventilation part of
Ventilation,
things,
yeah.
right?
So
Right.
in terms of the ratios, I need you to give 30 effective chest compressions.
30 chest compressions.
30 chest
all right?
compressions, and they will be followed by 2 ventilations.
2 ventilations.
Yeah.
And this is naturally a standard mouthpiece that we
Yes.
have over here. And I do believe this has a one-way valve in it, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
you can blow air inside, but you can't get air blown back into your
So you're
mouth.
protected.
So if we see that blows, but if we turn this around, you
It
see
won't allow any air.
there's a one-way valve, which is good for your own safety during first aid.
100%.
All right,
So
let's
you
take
can-
me
you
through
can
this
give it
one
a
here.
shot.
All right.
Okay, so where do you compress on the sternum? No?
So we're compressing on the sternum
On the
itself.
sternum, yeah.
So the
30
sternum is located in the middle of the chest, is that correct?
Exactly.
So do we start off with the ventilations or start off with the compressions?
we start with the compression.
So we start with the compression.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put my mouthpiece aside over here. I will be interlocking my fingers, getting a
Yes.
good grip, making sure my elbows are locked and I have good leverage over this gent over here. But
And
before
30.
that, remember, we need to ask for consent, right? So
Okay.
I believe this person has given his consent. So nice on the sternum, sturdy position, and then we will compress 30
30
compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still no pulse. We will then insert the mouthpiece. Make sure to
Okay.
cover the nose and the chin. Make sure to lift up that chin to open up the airway, and 2 breaths.
Okay. 1, 2,
2 breaths
30.
and 30. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Staying alive, staying alive.
Okay.
And we have a pulse. Welcome back, gents. Thank you.
That's great, mate. Cheers, mate.
That was a workout and a half, but I
Yeah.
believe we successfully completed CPR on this gentleman over here.
Thanks, mate.
All right, Meneer, thank you
Cheers.
very much for your time. I'm going to keep
Cheers.
these gloves, keep this mouthpiece just in case.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
cool, eh?
One last thing before I go, where can the viewers get a hold of you? Where can they make contact if they want all of these services?
Also, the contact numbers are 011 822 3428. No?
Fantastic.
Yeah, so our website is www.ifa.co.za.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, man. We appreciate your time.
Cheers,
Thank
mate.
you.